Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna unbox the super fast wireless charger duo from Samsung. It's a 15 watt max super fast wireless charging including power adapter. This came with the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. Let's open the box, see what is inside. Okay. Anything else inside? That's not important. I have an adapter. It's a 0.7 amp output. It's a Type C connecting. Okay, wireless charging pad like this. It's a 9 volt 2.77 amp. The model is EP P4400. It's like this thick. You can charge the smartwatch here, and you can charge your phone here. What is inside the box? User manual, the cable. I'm gonna put aside. I'm gonna connect to the power and let's see how is it working. Type C. We have lights here, so I'm going to put my brand new watch. Yeah, it is charging, but when you put a flat surface like this, the watch is not standing flat, as you can see. So how I'm gonna charge it? It must little bumper or something like that. As you can see, there is no way to put the Watch 5 Pro for charging dock. I need to push it by my hand, and it's charging now. But when I release it, the band is making angle. So for charging, I need to take it out the bands, put the watch here like that to charge it. And let me see, does it working here? It doesn't work because this is for the smartwatch, but I'm recording now with the watch, Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, recording the video with that one, so I can show you how you charging it. But here there's a magnetic field too, as you can see. When you put it, it's holding over there. Yes, that's good. But either way, with the cords, you can charge it on top. You need to take it out. Other than, it's good design. Look, It is charging, nice. And if you have a wireless phone, you can put like here and charge both them at the same time. But this one is not, doesn't have the wireless charging. That's cool. Thank you for watching, everybody. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel, and if you like the video again, please comment. Thank you. Have a good day.